Hi, boys and girls. Great to see you again. I'm Miss Loretta from Headquarters Library, downtown Spartanburg, South Carolina. Today, we are going to do a fun, easy activity. We're going to make seed starters from ice cream, using ice cream cones. Who would have thought you could start seeds using an ice cream cone? So, all we need is an ice cream cone, some soil, potting soil here, and just seeds, a little bit of water, whatever kind of seeds you would like. But we have some different seeds here. But we're gonna plant a cowpea today. I guess you say, what in the world is a cowpea? A cowpea is a California black-eyed pea. I know you're saying yuck, but we're gonna plant it anyway. It's gonna be beautiful. So let's get started, okay? All right, let's get our cone here. Gonna put some soil in here, not a lot. Okay. All right, see, just a little bit. So you take your finger, or either if you have a popsicle stick or whatever, so like a ½ inch down here. We're gonna make a little hole. We're gonna take our seeds, we're gonna drop it in that one, and make another one on the other side. We're gonna drop it there, okay? All right, get some more soil. We're gonna cover it up just a little bit, right? All right, we have that part. Okay, if you have a dropper, or just pour just a tad of water in there, okay? I'm gonna drop some around here, not too much. Your ice cream cone may like shrink up a little bit, but that's okay, all right? Because you can, after a little bit, like a couple of days, you're gonna see a little green plant pop up here, okay? Hopefully you're gonna see a pretty one. You will. So we're gonna set this here. You can store it in the window or in the sunshine somewhere and watch it grow. Watch the magic, okay? Then you can plant it in dirt after a little while when you see it grow. And then we can plant it in dirt, and you're gonna see a plant in a little while, couple of weeks, couple of days, like a week or so, maybe looks like this. And don't worry about planting the ice cream cone in the dirt, because it's biodegradable and it's like compost, so it helps it, okay? So good luck with your planting, and join us next week for toddler and preschool story time, okay, at 11 o'clock. And come visit us at the library for some great books, okay? All right, see you soon.